He's like, can I borrow my lighter?
Everybody does, brother.
Poor Fuzzy, man. Poor guy, brother. All right.
Hey, guys.
The Pablito, man.
I don't have a seat.
I gave you my last one, bro.
Chilling out with a couple of my dogs. This song here's about my ex-girlfriend.
Oh.
Well, I'll tell you why she's my ex-girlfriend.
We got him. We know, man.
Because I wrote this song. A girl like this.
There we go. Nice. I like how that's going.
She's a beauty queen in spandex show, flip-flops on. A white trash lady. She's got a cigarette with a 3-inch hat. She's got bleach blonde hair, black boots to match.
Gotta love this guy, man.
A white trash lady.
Damn.
Taking off jelly shoes on with the bra strap showing, so yellow with her smile like a face starter. Fingernails thin, red or blue don't match. Got a perm up top, mullet party in the back, fanny pack on the side of her thigh. Sitting up her heels like she's headed to the bed.
Damn.
Breath smelling like a Friday night pool hall ass. When she walks, she's a white trash beauty. She could probably be a pirate back in all that booty.
Damn.
Trailer park runway, next top model, more fun playing Uno when she's dipping on the bottle. Cusses every time she opens her mouth. She's got a red flag tattoo, loving the south. And her tits are big enough to keep the whole beach shady. You can watch your mouth fall off like a white trash lady.
This guy, man.
White trash lady.
That's fucked up.